Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use quick action in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility here. And go to quick action and turn on this button, quick action. And you have 5 options here. First one is quick action, that is when screen is off, press and hold the volume down button. Okay, if you long press this volume down button, the specified functions will be enabled. Okay, for example, first one, it is pointed to the first one, turn on off flashlight. Okay, if you long press this volume down button when the screen is off, now screen is off, if you press volume down button, press and hold volume down button, that is long press volume volume down button, that flashlight will be turned on. If it is turned off, now it is turned off, so long press it and it will be turned on. Okay, now it is turned on and screen is off. Okay, when screen is off, if it is turned on, see here, it will turn off. Okay, turn on, turn off. Okay, turn on, if you again long press, turn off. Okay, then record, next option. See here, screen is off and long press and recording will be started. Okay, then next, open camera. So if you long press volume down button, camera will be directly opened. See here, yes, camera is opened and you can take pictures. You will see other option, open Facebook. Yes, Facebook is opened. Okay, then final one is open any app. Okay, so you go to set your app. Okay, here I would like to set calculator to open when I press volume down button. Okay, press and hold volume down button and calculator will be opened. Okay, so in this way you can easily use quick action in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.